Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel, where we help you learn real, natural English that you can actually use in daily life.
Welcome back, everyone. Today is not a short lesson. We are going deep. If you really want fluency, you need more listening practice, more exposure, and more patience.
Exactly. And today's episode is about something very simple on the surface, but extremely powerful for English learners.
We're talking about daily routines, but in a much longer, more natural conversation style, like real people speaking in real life.
So don't just listen once. Try to follow the meaning, repeat the phrases, and feel the rhythm of the language.
And if you stay till the end, you'll be able to describe your entire day in English without hesitation.
Let's start slowly and build your confidence step by step. So Daniel, let's imagine a normal weekday morning. What usually happens first?
Honestly, the same thing every day. I wake up early, but I don't get up immediately.
That's a very important difference for learners. You wake up, but you stay in bed.
Exactly. I wake up at around 7 a.m., but I stay in bed for maybe 10 or 15 minutes.
That's very natural. Many people do that. Some people check their phone, some just relax.
Yes, but then I force myself to get up. That's the hard part.
Same here. Getting up is always the struggle, not waking up.
After I get up, I open the window. I like fresh air in the morning.
That's a great habit. Fresh air makes you feel more awake instantly.
Then I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and try to fully wake my brain up.
I think that's a universal routine. Everyone does that, no matter where they live.
Probably yes. Then comes breakfast.
Yes, breakfast. The most important meal of the day, they say.
I usually keep it simple. Something light. Maybe bread, eggs, or tea.
In English, we say a light breakfast when we don't eat too much.
Exactly. Not a heavy meal, just enough energy to start the day.
And I think learners should remember this phrase, start my day.
Yes, for example, I start my day with coffee.
A very useful sentence pattern.
After breakfast, I get dressed.
Another key phrase, get dressed, means putting on your clothes.
Right. And people often make mistakes like saying long sentences, but in real English, it's short and simple.
That's what we want learners to understand. Natural English is not complicated English.
Then I leave home and head to work.
We don't say leave from home. We just say leave home.
Small detail, big difference.
And how do you usually go?
I usually take the bus. Sometimes I walk if the weather is good.
Take the bus is a very important expression. We also say take a taxi, take the train.
Yes, take is very common with transport.
Now, let's imagine the work part of the day.
Work starts at 9 a.m. for me.
And what's the first thing you do?
I check my schedule. I like to know what my day looks like.
That's a smart habit. A schedule is your daily plan.
Yes, and then I focus on my tasks.
Tasks is a very useful word. It means your work activities.
Emails, meetings, reports, everything.
And do you take breaks?
Of course, nobody can work without breaks.
That's important for learners too. Take a break is a very natural expression.
At noon, I usually eat something simple and healthy.
Noon means 12 p.m., middle of the day.
Right, and after that, I go back to work until evening.
Now, let's move to the interesting part, after work.
This is my favorite part of the day.
Why?
Because I finally relax.
That word is very important. Relax.
Yes, after work, I go for a walk.
Go for a walk is such a natural English phrase.
I don't think about work. I just walk, breathe, and clear my mind.
That sounds peaceful.
It is, and I think learners should include this in their routine too.
Physical movement also helps your brain learn better.
After the walk, I go home.
And then?
I take a shower.
A relaxing shower?
Yes, very relaxing. It helps me feel refreshed.
Refreshed means you feel new again.
Exactly. Like your energy comes back.
I love that word.
Then I eat dinner.
Simple meal?
Usually, yes. Nothing heavy.
And after that?
I listen to music or sometimes watch something light.
That's a good way to end the day.
And finally, I go to bed at around 11 p.m.
A full cycle of the day.
Yes, wake up, work, relax, sleep, repeat.
If you are still listening, this is where your real learning starts.
Because now we are going to help you speak.
Try this sentence in your mind. My daily routine starts at.
Then add your time, your activities, your habits.
For example, I wake up at 7, I get dressed, I go to school or work.
Simple structure. No need for complicated grammar.
English becomes easy when you keep it simple.
Sarah, do you think routines are important for learning English?
100%. Without routine, there is no progress.
That's true. Even 10 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week.
Consistency is everything.
And learners often ignore that truth.
They want fast results, but language doesn't work that way.
It takes time, repetition, and patience.
Before we finish, let's remind everyone.
Yes. If you're enjoying this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Master English channel.
Like this video.
And comment. What is your daily routine in English?
We actually read your comments.
And we learn from you too.
All right, everyone. That's the end of today's long episode.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Take care.